In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Threads. So, if you have an account that you need to block on Threads, here's how to do it. First, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Threads app. And once I'm on the home page, I'm just going to select a random account that I want to block. So for now, that's going to be CNN. Once it brings me over to their page, I'm going to go up to the top right-hand corner and hit that little circle with the dots in the middle. Once I do that, I'm going to hit block, which is highlighted in red. And then this pop-up comes up, and it's just asking you if you're sure you want to block this account. This will also block any other accounts they may have or create in the future. They won't be able to find your profile or content on Threads. They will not be notified that you blocked them, and you can unblock them in settings at any time. So once I hit block, it shows that the account is being blocked, and that pop-up down there at the bottom shows me that the account is blocked, and any other accounts that they create in the future will be blocked as well. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment if this worked for you.